Full script with markers. Must be 1,500 plus words. Midnight hook. What if I told you ChatGPT could save you $500 a month? That's right. Today we're diving deep into how you can use AI tools tips to slash your bills. But do you really know what happens when you harness the power of ChatGPT for your finances? 030 the question. You use ChatGPT every day, maybe for writing emails or brainstorming ideas. But do you know what actually happens when you use it to negotiate lower bills? Let's peel back the layers and find out. 130 layer 1. The obvious. The simple explanation most people know is that ChatGPT can generate human-like responses. When you input a request to negotiate a bill, it crafts a polite yet assertive email. This is the surface level, and it works surprisingly well. Many companies are willing to offer discounts when faced with a well-written negotiation letter. But let's go deeper. When you type in your request, ChatGPT doesn't just pull a template out of thin air. It uses complex algorithms to analyze your input, understand the context, and generate a response tailored to your situation. This is where the magic happens. 3 o'clock layer 2, going deeper. The technical reality is fascinating. ChatGPT uses natural language processing, NLP, to understand your request. It breaks down your words into tokens, analyzes the syntax, and identifies the intent behind your message. Then, it searches its vast database of knowledge to find relevant information and constructs a response. This process involves multiple steps. First, the tokenizer converts your text into numerical representations. Then, the model processes these numbers using neural networks to generate a coherent response. It's like having a super smart assistant who can write perfect emails for you. 4 o'clock, new visual cue. But here's where it gets interesting. There's more to it than just generating emails. ChatGPT can also provide insights and strategies based on real-world data. For example, it can tell you the average discount offered by a particular company or suggest the best time to negotiate. 5 o'clock, the surprising part. What most people don't know is that ChatGPT can learn from previous interactions. Each time someone uses it to negotiate a bill, it gathers data on what works and what doesn't. Over time, it becomes even better at crafting effective negotiation letters. This means that the more people use ChatGPT for bill negotiations, the more accurate and successful its responses become. It's like having a team of experts working behind the scenes to help you save money. 6 o'clock, new question. But how does this translate to real savings? Let's look at some examples. One user managed to reduce their cable bill by $20 per month using a ChatGPT-generated negotiation letter. Another saved $50 on their phone bill. These might seem like small amounts, but they add up quickly. 7 o'clock, the human element. The people behind the tech play a crucial role. The developers who create and maintain ChatGPT are constantly improving its capabilities. They analyze user feedback, update the algorithms, and ensure that the system remains up to date with the latest trends and techniques. There are also trade-offs to consider. While ChatGPT can save you time and money, it requires a certain level of trust. You need to believe that the generated responses will be effective and appropriate. This is where human judgment comes in. 8 o'clock, why this matters to you. Practical implications for you are significant. By using ChatGPT to negotiate your bills, you could potentially save hundreds of dollars each month. This money can be redirected towards other important expenses or invested for future growth. Remember, this isn't just about saving money. It's about taking control of your finances. With the right tools and strategies, you can achieve financial freedom and security. 9 o'clock, what's coming next? Future developments in AI will only enhance these capabilities. Imagine a world where AI can handle all your financial negotiations, leaving you free to focus on other aspects of your life. This is the exciting future we're moving towards. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it.